Part of blogging for profit is making sure you show up in search engine searches. There are a number of ways to make that happen. Some are simple and obvious, while others take a little know-how. So what should you do to get your blog blasted through the internet? Here are a few tips that may be able to help you show up higher on search engines and thus generate more traffic. You know what more traffic means, right? It means a better chance at making an extra buck with your blog. First of all, as much as it may seem like a hassle, you need to do your own marketing. When you generate more traffic on your own, the search engines start to notice, and your ranking will improve. The first thing you should do is get your blog registered everywhere you can register it. Go to all of the lesser search engines, as well as the more popular ones, and register the site everywhere you can. In addition, register with all of the blog directories you can find out there. You can barely log on to the internet without bumping into a blog directory. So with that in mind, make sure that all of those have your blog in them so that those searching blogs will have a better chance of finding yours. Remember, this is about getting traffic and getting a search engine ranking. You can do neither if nobody knows you are out there in the first place. It gets said over and over again regarding blogs, but make sure your content is high quality. That quality comes from writing in proper style. You should make sure your sentences are complete. When capitalization is needed, make sure you do it. Put your commas in the right place and use periods. In addition, make sure you are putting interesting and useful information out there so that you will get as many return visitors as possible to your website. In addition to getting people to look at what you are saying, you want to get them coming back. If you want that search engine ranking, then you need to keep the hits to your site coming and coming often. Another seemingly obvious thing you can do to drive up traffic and thus your search ranking is to update regularly. Make sure your blog is something you are caring for regularly, like you would anything else. People will come back if they know that new and fresh content could possibly be there. You should be posting at least once a day, if not twice, to ensure that new visitors are getting good content and that returning readers are seeing something fresh that makes them want to stay. Again, get those visits up, and the search engine rankings will come right along with them. You also want to make sure that when people log on to a search engine seeking out information, that they find you as often as possible. To do that, you should make sure that many of your posts are search engine optimized. Have certain keywords and keyword phrases in mind as you start each post. When you go to revise, then make sure they are appearing early in your post with frequency, and then sporadically throughout the rest of the post. This is an important move since most people on the internet find their information through the use of search engines. If you have specific phrases they are looking for, then you are more likely to get more hits from those seeking information on the subjects about which you are writing. If you are going to blog for profit, then it is crucial to get traffic to your site. To get traffic to your site, you want to rank as highly as possible in search engines. There are a number of ways to get your ranking up, but it does require your dedication and work. First of all, make sure you do your own marketing. In one of those cruel twists of irony, the best way to get your traffic up is by getting your ranking higher, and to get your ranking higher you need to get your traffic up. So register with blog directories and search engines, update your blog regularly, publish good clean content, and optimize your information with keywords and keyword phrases whenever possible without hurting the quality of your posts. Get that traffic up, market your site, and follow the simple tips above, and you can blast the internet with your blog.